Are you tired of the daily grind of traffic jams and rising fuel costs? Looking for an eco-friendly way to enhance your daily commute? In this video, we're showcasing the best electric bikes for 2025 that are designed to transform your riding experience. From cutting-edge technology to stunning designs, these bikes offer unparalleled performance and comfort. But hold on, see the full video, because one model will absolutely blow your mind with its unique features. Plus, I'll share the one bike I personally think stands out above the rest. If you're curious to find out which electric bikes suits your needs, stick around. I've included links in the description below where you can find the best deals on each product mentioned. Keep in mind, the electric bikes aren't listed in any. Number 5. Idstance RX30. The Idstance RX30 is an impressive electric bike designed for mountain biking enthusiasts, combining performance with convenience. Priced at $699, the RX30 offers a range of features that make it stand out in the e-bike market. One of its key features is its powerful 750 volts motor, which provides robust assistance for tackling steep hills and rugged terrains, making it an excellent choice for off-road adventures. The 48V lithium-ion battery offers a generous range, allowing riders to travel long distances without frequent recharging, perfect for all-day outings. Additionally, the RX30 is equipped with a durable aluminum frame, ensuring both lightweight maneuverability and sturdy construction. Its dual suspension system enhances comfort by absorbing shocks from uneven surfaces, making every ride smoother. For safety, it features front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power in various conditions. The bike also includes a LED display, allowing users to monitor their speed, battery level, and distance traveled easily. This attention to detail and user-friendly features make the RX30 a compelling option for both casual riders and serious mountain bikers. In summary, the Idstance RX30 is a feature-rich e-bike that balances performance and affordability, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to explore the trails. Number 4. GhostCat F3X Pro. The GhostCat F3X Pro is an outstanding electric bike that melds advanced technology with a robust design, ideal for both on-road and off-road adventures. This third-generation model showcases a powerful 1500W motor that delivers a peak torque of 140 Nm, ensuring impressive performance across various terrains. While it can reach speeds of up to 35 mph, the bike adheres to Class 2 e-bike regulations by being limited to 20 mph. A standout feature is its 52V20Ah lithium battery, which offers a remarkable range of 52 miles under normal riding conditions, providing riders with ample time to explore without frequent recharging. The bike is outfitted with an LCD display that presents multiple riding modes, including manual pedaling with 7 gears, 5 pedal assist settings, and a pure electric mode, allowing for customizable riding experiences. For comfort and safety, the F3X Pro features an aluminum alloy soft tail frame equipped with an adjustable suspension system that effectively absorbs shocks, ensuring a smoother ride. Additionally, it includes front and rear hydraulic brakes, an LED headlight, and a rear brake light, enhancing visibility and safety during rides. In terms of pricing, the GhostCat F3X Pro is available for around $2,349, down from its original price of $2,600, reflecting its premium specifications and capabilities, making it a worthy investment for e-bike enthusiasts. Number 3. Engwe M20 2.0. The Engwe M20 2.0 is a standout option in the realm of electric bikes, particularly appealing to those seeking both performance and style. With a powerful 750W motor that can peak at 1200W, this bike not only delivers speed but also impressive torque, making it suitable for a variety of terrains. The bike is designed with 20x4.0 fat tires that enhance traction and stability, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're navigating city streets or off-road trails. One of the most remarkable features of the Engwe M20 2.0 is its dual battery system. It boasts an upgraded 1622W lithium-ion battery, which allows for an astonishing maximum range of up to 162 miles in pedal assist mode. This extensive range is perfect for long-distance riders who want to minimize downtime by reducing the need for frequent recharges. For those concerned about safety and comfort, The bike includes hydraulic disc brakes for reliable stopping power and hydraulic suspension for a more comfortable ride, even on bumpy terrain. Aesthetically, the Engwe M20 2.0 resembles a motorbike, making it particularly attractive to a younger demographic or those new to cycling. The price point is competitive, currently available for $1,299, reduced from the original $1,499, offering substantial value for a high-performance e-bike. In conclusion, whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just entering the world of electric bikes, the Engwe M20 2.0 combines functionality, comfort, and a unique design to create an engaging riding experience. With its number 2, Freeski Warrior Pro M530. The Freeski Warrior Pro M530 is an impressive electric mountain bike that combines performance and comfort for both adventure seekers and daily commuters. Priced at approximately $2,756, this bike is engineered for versatility on various terrains. A standout feature of the M530 is its dual motor system, providing a total output of 1,000 watts, enabling it to conquer steep hills and reach speeds of up to 38 km/h downhill. The bike delivers approximately 37.82 lb-ft of torque, making it ideal for serious off-roading. Additionally, the Shimano 7-speed gear system allows riders to navigate different riding conditions with ease. Comfort is prioritized through a full suspension system that includes hydraulic shock absorbers, absorbing impacts from rough trails for a smooth and enjoyable ride, perfect for long distances. The aluminum frame is both sturdy and lightweight, accommodating riders up to 300 pounds without compromising durability. For safety and practicality, the Freeski Warrior Pro M530 is equipped with a powerful headlight and reflective elements for enhanced visibility during night rides. Its fat tires provide excellent grip and stability, rolling over obstacles confidently. Overall, the Freeski Warrior Pro M530 merges robust construction with advanced technology and a comfortable riding experience, making it a top choice for those looking to explore off-road trails or seek a reliable commuting solution. Number 1. Voyager 1 e-bike. The Voyager 1 e-bike from Nobo Power is an impressive combination of style, performance, and advanced technology, designed to cater to both urban commuters and weekend adventurers. This innovative electric bike features a lightweight carbon fiber frame, weighing only 3.9 kilos, 8.6 lb, making it one of the lightest in its class while still ensuring durability. Powered by a 500W OLI mid-drive motor that can peak at 800 watts and deliver 130 95.8 lb-ft of torque, the Voyager 1 can reach speeds of up to 45 km/h, 28 mph, offering excellent performance on various terrains. The bike is equipped with a 960 Wh battery that uses high-quality Samsung 21x700 cells, providing a range of over 100 km 62 miles on a single charge. The Voyager 1 also boasts a D&M inverted suspension fork with 150 mm of travel and a D&M RCP2S rear shock, ensuring a smooth ride even on bumpy trails. Its 26-inch wheels are fitted with 4-inch wide Maxxis fat tires, allowing for enhanced traction and stability. The SRAM EXE1 8-speed gear set and Magura MT5 hydraulic disc brakes further contribute to its superior performance and safety. Additional features include a handlebar integrated color display for real-time status updates, a 4G module for anti-theft tracking, and customizable ride modes via a companion app. Currently, the Voyager 1 is available for a starting price of $4,399, where it is gaining traction among early adopters. This bike not only meets the needs of modern riders but also sets a new standard in the electric bike market, appealing to those looking to explore the world on two wheels.